Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Fifth Third Bank Mortgage. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to get logged in into your account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference, and once you open the web browser you need to type in the URL www.53.com. To do this, you will end up in this page. Now simply tap on the borrow section where you can find the mortgages. So in the mortgages subsection you can find the login option right over there also. So simply tap on the login option, and from the login you need to type in your user ID and your password of your account. So once you're done typing both these credentials, you need to hit the login button, which will then allow you to go in the mortgage section of the Fifth Third bank account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.